Blackstone griddles are designed with built-in ignition systems, so you can start your griddle conveniently. If your igniter doesn't function correctly, there are a couple things you can check to get it running smoothly again. If you can't light your griddle with the built-in ignition system, but you can with a long match or grill lighter, a part of your igniter might need adjusting or replacing. Make sure your burner valves are in the off position. Then, with the help of someone else, remove your griddle top from the base, and your propane tank valve is closed. The igniter wires on your griddle should be roughly 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch away from the burner tubes. If they are too close, they will ground out and not make any sound. If they are too far away, the spark won't arc to the burner tubes. You can adjust your igniter wires with your fingers to ensure they are in the proper position. To check the position, turn your burner knob past the striking position. If the wires are at the correct distance, you'll be able to see the spark arcing between the needle and the burner tube. If you are unable to get your ignition system working after adjusting the igniter needles, there might be a problem with your igniter valve or wires. This can be easily tested. To test your Piezo Igniter valve, unplug the wires from the valves. They can be removed with your fingers, or if you need a better grip, you can also use pliers. Once all the igniter wires are disconnected, look at the hole in the valve the wire is plugged into, and turn the burner knob past the striking position. If you see a flash where the wire plugs in, the valve is working correctly and your igniter wires will need replaced. If there are no sparks, your igniter valve will need replaced. Please contact customer service for replacement parts and continued service. For any other questions, visit us at blackstoneproducts.com/support.